Hi, this is Dr. Tonya Echols Cole, and we're talking about products that you use on your skin during radiation. Today, we're talking about Radiaplex Gel. This is a product that should be started on day one of your radiation. It should be used 3 times a day, right after your radiation treatment, 7 days a week. The product should be continued for 2 weeks after you finish your radiation treatments. Now, I like this product because it is not, it comes out, it's a white creamy consistency. It absorbs very well into the skin. It doesn't leave a greasy residue. One thing about this product that I don't like is that it's not the easiest to get. You have to get a prescription for it written by your physician. You take it to the pharmacy, and most local pharmacies don't carry it on the shelf, so I'll have to order it for you.